When it comes to gaining strategic insights, executives typically turn to monthly dashboards and board-level reports, but those only give you surface-level metrics. Want to know what to do, where to focus your effort, or drill down instantly to individual employees, locations, or customers? You're out of luck. Of course, AI promises to deliver these insights in real time, but without structured data, definitions, and instructions, it's impossible to implement reliable AI. Introducing the Lab's Banking Data Intelligence Model. Based on years of actual implementation at peers, it provides an AI-ready semantic layer on top of your existing data, and it works with any core, LOS, CRM, GL, and more. And it also includes external data from sources like the FDIC, NCUA, BLS, and US Census Bureau. The Lab's Banking Data Intelligence Model includes industry-standard KPI definitions, performance benchmarks, process and department taxonomies, automation and AI use cases, standardization best practices, and more. Now you can get reliable AI-generated answers for questions like, how does my institution perform against peers? Which products are driving growth? Where can processes be improved? Let's watch it in action and compare it to typical AI-generated reports. Let's start with a simple question which every leader asks. How does my credit union perform against peers? Here's how typical AI responds. Look, it's asking you to tell it who your peers are. Not very helpful. Now, let's ask the AI assistant the exact same question, only with the Lab's Banking Data Intelligence Model behind it. Look, it already knows all of your peers and how they're performing. It instantly compares your performance to peers, all in a single, easy-to-read table. Here are the overall insights. And check it out! These are the actual reference footnotes. Click any one, and the analytics view instantly brings up the exact chart it's referring to. Let's ask another common question. What does loan growth look like by branch? Which ones are under or overperforming? Here's how typical AI responds. Look, it doesn't know anything. It's asking more than it's answering. Now let's pose the same question to the Lab's AI. Look, it instantly reveals the top-performing branches, highlights those falling behind, and points to underlying trends, all enabled by the Lab's Banking Data Intelligence Model. Finally, let's figure out how we can take action. Let's ask it, what are some specific best practices or process automations that could improve loan growth? Here's what generic AI spits out. Totally generic advice pulled from the open web. Now, here's the same question, only with the Lab's standard model feeding the AI. Instead of guessing, it connects the dots between your performance data and operational improvement. Using the Lab's proprietary knowledge base of automations, KPIs, benchmarks, and best practices, it custom tailors its response to the exact drivers behind your loan growth performance. Each recommendation is specific, measurable, and actionable with direct links to related automations and workflows that can be implemented right away. This isn't some generic list of ideas from the internet. Rather, it's a customized playbook for improvement generated directly from your own data and over 30 years of the Lab's experience. Every field, every definition, every calculation, structured and unified. So your analytics don't stop at what happened. They explain why it happened, reveal where to improve, and help you decide exactly what to do next. See how the Lab can transform your analytics into a true AI-supported decision engine. Don't wait, schedule your demo today.